to that stage yet. I'm just going to show you so, Emmanuel, you can get onto the next bit. So either using a pin or using a tracing wheel, you want to mark out all of the lines on this that are on the front. So we're working on the front first. So for example, up here, I would not mark this bit out because that is from the back. So I'm going to go around here, and then I'm going to go, I have a seam here that joins my shoulder.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you guys can see a bit better if I hold it up. So you can see that seam there. So yeah. I'm going to mark along that seam line rather than, so the difference is I wouldn't mark right on this edge. I would mark exactly where that seam is. Does that make sense?